A chatbot is a computer program or artificial intelligence that is designed to simulate conversation with human users, mainly through text or speech-based interactions. It serves as a virtual assistant, allowing users to engage in conversations and receive responses in real time. Chatbots are needed for various reasons, and they can be particularly beneficial for businesses like your delivery business, etc. Here are some key reasons why chatbots are valuable. 1. Improved customer service. Chatbots provide instant responses to customer inquiries, ensuring that customers' questions and concerns are addressed promptly and efficiently. This 24/7 availability enhances customer satisfaction and engagement. 2. Increased sales and orders. As seen in the example, chatbots can assist customers in placing orders, providing product information, and guiding them through the purchasing process. This can lead to an increase in sales and revenue for businesses. 3. Data collection and analysis. Chatbots can gather valuable data about customers' preferences, behaviors, and buying patterns. This information can be used to personalize marketing strategies and improve business offerings to better suit customer needs. 4. Time and cost savings. By automating customer interactions, chatbots can save businesses time and resources that would otherwise be spent on manual customer support. 5. Scalability. Chatbots can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, allowing businesses to scale their customer support efforts without increasing staff proportionately. 6. Enhanced user experience. Well-designed chatbots can create engaging and interactive experiences for users, making interactions with businesses more enjoyable and memorable. 7. Integration with multiple platforms. Chatbots can be integrated into various platforms, including websites, social media, messaging apps, and more, making them accessible to a wide range of customers. Types of chatbots. Rule-based chatbots operate on pre-configured decision trees. Use if/then rules to determine responses. Limited to specific user inputs allowed in the pre-programmed flow. Cannot detect synonyms or variations in user input. AI-based chatbots utilize natural language processing (NLP) to understand user input, provide responses based on a large amount of data and knowledge gathered from various sources, can handle free-form questions and learn from interactions to better understand user intent. Contextual and adaptive, improving their ability to respond accurately over time. Let us now see lots of examples of AI-based chatbots, enhancing user experience. From financial assistance to ordering your favorite pizza, these chatbots showcase the power of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Bank of America's Erica. Bank of America's virtual agent, Erica, is a financial chatbot designed to help customers manage their finances effectively. Erica can check account balances, notify users of account changes or charges, and provide insights into recurring or duplicate charges. Replika. Replika is an AI chatbot designed to act as a personal AI friend and companion. It uses natural language processing to engage in conversations with users and learn from their interactions. The chatbot aims to provide emotional support and foster meaningful relationships with users, enhancing the user experience by offering a personalized and empathetic conversational partner. Wiser. Wiser is an AI-powered mental health chatbot that provides emotional support and helps users manage stress, anxiety, and other mental health concerns. It uses cognitive behavioral techniques and mood tracking to offer personalized coping mechanisms, tips, and exercises to users, making mental health support accessible and anonymous. Domino's Pizza's Dom. Domino's Pizza offers a convenient chatbot named Dom, allowing customers to order pizzas, track existing orders, and even reorder their favorite past orders. The seamless conversational experience makes pizza ordering quick and easy. Duolingo's bots. Duolingo, a popular language learning platform, offers AI-powered chatbots to help users practice their language skills. These chatbots simulate real conversations and provide learners with an opportunity to practice speaking and understanding the language in a natural setting. Hello Hipmunk. Hello Hipmunk is a travel chatbot that assists users in finding flights, hotels, and travel itineraries. The chatbot uses natural language processing to understand travel preferences and provide personalized recommendations, simplifying the travel booking process. Digital assistants. Popular digital assistants like Apple Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa are AI-powered chatbots integrated into smartphones and smart home devices. They can perform various tasks, including setting reminders, providing traffic updates, giving directions, and sending messages. OpenAI's ChatGPT. OpenAI's ChatGPT is an advanced language model that acts as a versatile digital assistant. Though not integrated into smartphones, it offers similar capabilities, assisting users with day-to-day tasks and providing valuable information. What is this chatbot made of and its components? First is natural language processing, NLP. NLP enables AI chatbots to comprehend and derive meaning from human languages. It goes beyond simple translation and includes features like autocorrect and language recognition. AI chatbots like ChatGPT can understand and respond in multiple languages, making interaction seamless and efficient. Second is knowledge base. The knowledge base combines NLP and machine learning to learn from previous conversations. It enables chatbots to understand slangs, emotions, and perform a wide range of tasks. User feedback and interactions with chatbots contribute to the knowledge base, making the chatbot smarter over time. Third is machine learning, ML, in AI chatbots. ML allows chatbots to learn without explicit programming. It uses data and algorithms to mimic human learning capabilities. Chatbots become more intelligent as they gather more information from user interactions, creating a continuous learning process. Fourth is understanding intent in AI chatbots. Intent refers to the user's goal in a conversation, whether typed or spoken. AI chatbots, like ChatGPT, can grasp the user's intent without requiring redundant context or explanations. Understanding intent enhances a chatbot's ability to provide relevant and accurate responses, creating a smoother conversational flow. How you can build your own chatbots like ChatGPT. 1. Tools to build an AI chatbot. Developers can code AI chatbots using languages like Python, JavaScript, Swift, and Java. SDKs, software development kits, streamline the coding process, providing everything needed to build an app for a specific platform. APIs, application programming interfaces, enable communication with external applications and platforms, making it easier to integrate AI capabilities. 2. SDK and API for AI chatbots. Examples of SDKs include Microsoft Bot Framework, which offers flexibility in language choice, and Node.js, a popular choice for building chatbot solutions. API options for AI-based chatbots include Google Chat API, Facebook Messenger API, Bing API, and OpenAI's API. These APIs allow chatbots to interact with various platforms and applications, providing quick and data-backed responses. 3. Demo, using ChatGPT with OpenAI API via code. Utilizing Python and OpenAI API, developers can run ChatGPT and access its language capabilities programmatically. The notebook demo showcases how to install OpenAI, import the package, and use the API to ask questions and receive responses from ChatGPT. 4. AI Chatbot Builders. For non-coders, AI chatbot builders provide a user-friendly alternative to creating chatbots. Azure Cognitive Services, a pre-built AI solution, offers a question-answering API that allows developers to create knowledge bases and train chatbots with user interactions. Other chatbot builders like Tideo, MobileMonkey, Botsify, and Microsoft's Power Virtual Agent offer drag-and-drop interfaces for easy chatbot creation. 5. AI Chatbot with Azure Cognitive Question Answering. Using Azure Cognitive Services Question Answering API, developers can quickly create a chatbot capable of answering questions. The demo showcases setting up a project, creating a knowledge base from FAQs, and testing the chatbot's responses to user queries. The world of AI-based chatbots offers a plethora of tools and techniques for developers and non-coders alike. Whether through coding with SDKs and APIs or utilizing user-friendly AI chatbot builders, creating intelligent and interactive chatbots has never been more accessible. The power of natural language processing and machine learning combined with APIs and AI chatbot builders enables us to build chatbots that understand user intent, deliver relevant responses, and continuously improve over time.